Hey there, fellow growers. Let's talk about strong cannabis plants. You want plants that stand tall and proud, right? Plants that can hold up those big, juicy buds? I know I do. It all starts with the building blocks. Just like we need strong bones, our plants need strong cell walls. That's where silica comes in. This awesome nutrient is like giving your plants a super-powered protein shake. Silica helps your plants resist pests, disease, and stress. Plus, it helps them absorb more nutrients. That means bigger yields and happier growers. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is silica? You might have heard the word tossed around in gardening circles, or maybe you've seen it listed on a bag of soil or plant nutrients. But what does it really mean for your plants? And why is it considered such a game changer for growers? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Silica is actually a simple, naturally occurring mineral that's all around us, even if we don't always notice it. In fact, it's a key ingredient in the very soil that plants grow in, and it plays a much bigger role than most people realize. Silica is a natural mineral found in soil. It's made up of silicon and oxygen, two elements that are absolutely essential for life on Earth. When you dig your hands into the dirt, you're actually touching tiny particles of silica that have been there for millions of years, helping to shape the world we live in. It's actually one of the most abundant minerals on Earth. From sandy beaches to rocky mountains, silica is everywhere. It's a silent partner in the natural world, quietly supporting the growth of plants and the health of entire ecosystems. Cannabis plants use silica to build strong cell walls. These cell walls are like the plant's armor, giving it the strength to stand tall and resist the pressures of wind, rain, and even the weight of its own buds. Without enough silica, plants can become weak and floppy, making them more vulnerable to damage. Think of cell walls like the plant's skeleton. Just as our bones give us structure and support, silica helps plants develop a sturdy framework. This internal support system is crucial, especially for cannabis, which can grow tall and heavy as it matures. Stronger cell walls mean a sturdier plant. When a plant's structure is reinforced with silica, it's less likely to bend, break, or collapse under its own weight. This is especially important during flowering, when buds get big and heavy, and a sturdier plant can hold more weight, which means more buds. For growers, this translates to bigger harvests and healthier plants. Silica acts like a secret strength booster, helping your cannabis reach its full potential. But that's not all. Silica also helps your plants in other ways. It's not just about strength. Silica improves the overall health and resilience of your plants, making them better equipped to handle whatever comes their way. It improves nutrient uptake, meaning your plants can absorb more of the good stuff from the soil and fertilizers you provide. This leads to faster growth, greener leaves, and more vigorous development throughout the plant's life cycle. It also helps your plants resist pests and diseases. Silica strengthens the outer layers of leaves and stems, making it harder for insects to chew through and for pathogens to take hold. This natural defense system can reduce the need for chemical pesticides and keep your garden healthier overall. And it even helps them cope with stress from heat, cold, and drought. Silica acts like a shield, protecting your plants from extreme weather and environmental challenges. Pretty cool, right? With silica on their side, your cannabis plants are ready to thrive, no matter what nature throws at them. Now that you know why silica is so amazing, let's dive into the different ways you can actually provide this essential element to your cannabis plants. Silica isn't just a buzzword. It's a real game changer for plant health, and choosing the right supplement can make a noticeable difference in your grow. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, understanding your options will help you get the most out of your plants. When it comes to giving silica to your plants, you have a few different methods to choose from. Each has its own benefits, and the best choice often depends on your growing style, setup, and personal preferences. Let's break down the most common forms of silica supplements you'll find at your local garden center or online. First up, there are liquid silica supplements. These are usually sold in bottles and are super convenient for most growers. You simply measure out the recommended amount and add it directly to your nutrient solution or water. This makes it easy to ensure your plants are getting a consistent dose every time you feed them. One of the most popular liquid options is potassium silicate. It's widely used because it dissolves easily in water and is compatible with most nutrient regimens. Potassium silicate not only provides silica, but also adds a bit of potassium, which is another important nutrient for plant growth. Using potassium silicate is straightforward. Just mix it into your water or nutrient solution according to the instructions on the label. It's especially handy for hydroponic growers, but soil growers can use it too. The liquid form ensures that the silica is immediately available to your plants, helping them build stronger cell walls and better resist stress. Another option is silica gel, which comes in a powder form. This type of supplement is often more concentrated than liquids, so a little goes a long way. It's a great choice if you want to customize your feeding routine, or if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for larger grows. You can sprinkle silica gel powder directly onto your soil or mix it thoroughly into your potting mix before planting. This allows the silica to be slowly released over time, giving your plants a steady supply as they grow. It's a simple way to boost your soil's mineral content and support healthy root development. There's also something called diatomaceous earth, or DE for short. This natural substance is made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. It's a fantastic source of silica, and it's been used in gardening for decades. Diatomaceous earth is unique because it not only provides silica, but also helps improve soil texture and drainage. Plus, its gritty texture can deter pests like fungus gnats and root aphids, making it a multi-purpose addition to your grow. To use DE, simply sprinkle a thin layer on top of your soil or mix it into your potting mix. It acts as a natural pest control barrier, helping to keep unwanted bugs at bay while delivering a steady supply of silica to your plants. It's a win-win for organic and natural growers. Just make sure to get food-grade diatomaceous earth, as other types, like those meant for pool filters, can contain additives or be too harsh for your plants. Always check the label to ensure you're using a safe, plant-friendly product. With the right silica supplement, you'll be giving your cannabis the support it needs to thrive from seedling to harvest. Alright, you've got your silica supplement. Now what? Knowing when and how to use silica can make a big difference in the health and strength of your cannabis plants. Silica isn't just another nutrient, it's a powerful tool that can help your plants thrive. But timing and method matter. Let's break down exactly when you should start using it and how to get the most out of your supplement. The best time to introduce silica is right at the beginning of your grow. As soon as you're planning your feeding schedule, make sure to include silica in your routine. This way, your plants can start benefiting from its protective and strengthening properties from the very start. The good news is, silica can be used throughout your entire grow cycle, from the moment your seedlings sprout all the way to harvest. It's a versatile supplement that supports your plants at every stage, helping them build stronger cell walls, resist pests, and handle stress better. Start adding silica to your nutrient solution as soon as your seedlings develop their first set of true leaves. This is when your plants begin to actively grow and can really use the extra support. Early application helps lay the foundation for robust stems and healthy foliage. Continue using silica consistently through the vegetative stage, when your plants are putting on the most growth. Don't stop there. Keep it up during the flowering stage as well. Silica helps your plants support heavy buds and can even improve their resistance to environmental stressors like heat and drought. In addition to adding silica to your nutrient solution, you can also use it as a foliar spray. This method is especially useful if you want to give your plants a quick boost, or if you notice any signs of deficiency on the leaves. To make a foliar spray, simply mix a diluted solution of silica and water, then spray it directly onto your plant's leaves. Be sure to do this during the early morning or late evening to avoid leaf burn from the sun or grow lights. Foliar sprays are a great way to quickly address deficiencies and give your plants an immediate boost. If you notice weak stems, drooping leaves, or other signs of stress, a silica foliar spray can help your plants recover faster and stay strong throughout the grow. Hey growers, are you finding this silica info helpful? Hit that like button and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cannabis growing tips and tricks. Sharing is caring, so spread the knowledge and tell your friends about the power of Silica. Now, let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming. We're about to uncover a bonus tip that will blow your mind. Here's a secret weapon for you. Certain nutrients can actually help your plants absorb silica even better. It's all about teamwork. One of silica's best buddies is potassium. Think of potassium as silica's wingman, helping it get past the bouncer and into the club, your plant's roots. Another nutrient that loves to hang out with silica is calcium. Together, they're like the dynamic duo of plant strength and resilience. So make sure your nutrient mix includes a good balance of potassium and calcium along with your silica supplement. There you have it, folks. The power of silica revealed. Remember, silica is like a superfood for your cannabis plants, helping them build strong cell walls, resist pests and diseases, and cope with stress. Choose your favorite silica supplement, add it to your nutrient routine, and watch your plants thrive. And don't forget about silica's nutrient buddies, potassium and calcium. Here's a final tip for you. Always start with a lower dose of silica than recommended, and gradually increase it. This will help your plants adjust and prevent any nutrient burn. Happy growing, everyone!